How to fix no sound on iPhone games. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. If you're having trouble with no sound while playing games on your iPhone, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to fix that issue quickly and easily. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your settings and then scroll down to sounds and haptics. Now make sure that your ringer is set to the highest, so just drag the slider and then make sure that your phone is not on silent mode. So another thing what you can do is you can use the physical switch on the side of your device. So make sure that your silent mode is toggled off. So after that, come back and then head over to your Bluetooth, and then what you need to do is make sure you turn it off. That ensures that your audio isn't being sent to a connected Bluetooth speaker or headphones unintentionally. Now come back and then you'll need to go to accessibility and then scroll down. So under hearing you'll find audio and visual. Tap on it and then scroll down. Here you'll find the balance option, so make sure that it is set to center and it is set to 0.00. And I'm sure one of this solution will help you and fix the no sound on your iPhone games. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.